So we need to also be able to convert from decimal to binary, okay, because we need to be able to convert in both directions. So same process, but we're going to do it the other way around. So we're starting with the decimal number 14, okay, and the way you work it out is you start on the right hand side, so we'll start at 128 and we go, is there any 128s in the number 14? Well, no, so we put a 0. Then we go to the next one, is there any 64s in 14? No. 32s in 14? No. 16s in 14? No. But then we get down here and we get, is there a number 8 in 14? Well, yes. But if we put a 1 there, we need to take 8 away from 14. So we've already represented 8 of the 14 by putting a 1 in this place. So 14 minus 8 is 6, so I'm left with 6. Then I say, is there a, if I'm left with 6, is there a 4 in 6? Well, yes. So because there's a 4 in 6, I do 6 minus 4 equals 2, and I put a 1 in there. And then is there a 2 in 2? Yes, obviously. And I'm left with 0, so that must be a 0 as well. Okay, so the binary equivalent of, I've wrote 2 at the top. What was the number? 8, 12, 14. So the binary equivalent of 14 is 0, 1, 1. Sorry, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. You can talk binary numbers. You can, any sort of preceding zeros on the left, you can get rid of. When you're talking about them, just writing them down and things like that. You can't get rid of the zeros on the right, because you need to remember that the 0 on the right means these 3 are in the correct columns. So the 0 on the right is a really important placeholder for these 3. So any zeros in the middle of or on the right hand side of binary numbers you need to leave, but any zeros on the left you don't need. So I could say that 14 in binary is 1110. Okay, so let's just try one on the fly. Just to show you how easy it is. So let's go for the number, I don't know, 137. Okay, so first off the bat, is there 128 in 137? Well, yes. But if I'm putting a 1 in there, I'm taking out a big chunk of that. So 137 minus 128 is 9. Okay, so I'm just going to write 9 down here for my working. So is there a 64 in 9? No, no, no. There is an 8 in 9, so I'll put a 1 in here. And I'm left with 1, because 9 minus 8 equals 1. So then I'm left with 1. Is there a 4 in 1? No. 2 in 1? No. A 1 in 1? Yes. Okay, so 137 in binary is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1.